Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Outlook and jump to Calendar. Make a new appointment or new event and immediately set the correct start and end times so your availability is accurate. Change the show as field to out of office so others see you're unavailable, and enter a concise title like BUO, Vacation. If you're using Exchange or Microsoft 365, this step also signals free/busy status. Make sure the account you opened is the one you intend to update before proceeding. Once done with the basic event, customize the details so your absence behaves how you expect. Decide whether to mark all day or specific hours, and set a recurrence if this repeats. Add internal attendees if you want people notified, or leave empty for personal blocking. Make the event private, or adjust sensitivity for confidentiality, disable reminders that would still alert you, and paste a brief instruction or delegate contact in the body so colleagues know who to reach. Finish by saving the event and sending updates if you added attendees. Save and close will update your calendar block. Make sure your mobile app and Teams reflect the out-of-office status. This confirms server sync. If you want email auto responses too, turn on automatic replies in File Automatic Replies and paste a matching message. Troubleshooting tip: if coworkers still see you as free, force a send/receive or reselect your Exchange account. Sync issues often clear after reconnecting or restarting Outlook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.